Hey everybody, this is the mini for the dog food. We have 10 spots at 105. We are going live at 9:38. We're going to paste the list. We have 10 on the list. We're going to roll 3 dice, 7 or higher. And we have a 7. Here we go, 7 times at 9:38. Okay, on the 6th time, we have Sue Hartley on top and Destiny on bottom. We have randomized it 6 times. The dice calls for a 7. Here we go, final time at 9:39. Good luck, everybody. And Danny Boy Holland is the winner with spot 7. You get the last 3 spots in the main. Congratulations. We have 10 on the list. We randomized it 7 times. The dice does call for a 7. And we are done. Final timestamp is 9:39. Congratulations, winner. Good luck in the main. Thanks, everybody, for the fill.